And it's time now for our Bites of the Week. This week they come from residents of two Clarendon communities, Fogo Road and Chateau community, who protested earlier this week over the poor state of the roads that serve them. Here are our Bites of the Week.
We're suffering like dog. If one pregnant mother call out for a baby, she go have baby in her car. Cause we can't.
Yeah, dust and mud.
Dust, mud, everything. The road is like a riverbed.
Last week, I have to spend 20,000 on the front end. And I still need more work on the front end. The road is in a terrible condition. The toll road people them need to do something about the road from the bridge to Content Crossing.
Mike Henry and Pernell Charles Jonah. We need you here so today. If we don't pull it, we are going to lock it back. And we're going to tap lock it today. For the next 48 hours, we're going to lock. It's a disgrace. So you know what? If we don't come, we are going to lock it. We figure jail, go jail. So we decide on our mind.